a new day. Welcome to Block 99. My name is Shirley. Please subscribe to our channel if you are new, like and share. Leave also a comment. We are going on today with the veranda. As you can see, it's done yesterday. It's looking pretty good. Last night we had our yard is not secured, so we had some dog footprints there that we have, but it's all good. So Ifran is having his guys throwing some water on the concrete flooring, and now they're going to put that there where the plastic is. Today they're going to put it up there. Then our veranda will be complete. So it's a Saturday morning, and it's a beautiful day, and we are just here at home. And Marky is home today. We are just chatting, and she's busy doing TikToks. You want to do a TikTok? Huh? You want to do a small TikTok? Just a short one. Uh-huh. Come on. Two little chicks walking there. They're about to cross the road. Oh, there's another one. Why did the chicken cross the road? I'm going down now, and then I'll give you a closer view on the veranda project. So I'll also show you where we want to put foundation next, to extend to our house. If you look closely, you can see we marked off a foundation. That was, I think, years ago. This is going to be where our sitting room is going to be. It's going to be like this up to there. If you can see there, it's going to be from where I'm standing, from there to there. That's going to be the sitting room. So we want to throw foundation here. Next time, when we have a little money again, we'll throw foundation. And on top of this sitting room, it's going to be a balcony. The balcony that I said yesterday, we're going to enjoy the sunset from on top here, there. On top, there's going to be a balcony. It's going to be right on top of the sitting room, and it's going to overlook the sunset. So that is another project that I am excited about, because you know we have things that to do around the house, and we can only do it as much as we can. We can't rush and say this is what I want and I want it now. You have to give time for these things to happen, so you have to persevere. So our block is curing. You can see also the color is changing of the blocks, because now it's like going into a full and perfect cure. This morning we had a breakdown with a power failure. It's failing to give power to the welding machine. So it's only one welding machine. What we are our electrician to come and fix it. The veranda actually, you can see the dog is there, but it's pretty nice and neat. My hubby is happy, and if he's happy, I'm happy. So Ephraim and his friends are busy again here. So they just put a plank there if they want to move, but movement should be minimal. It's not completely dry solid, but it's pretty tight and solid. So by tomorrow, we'll have it tight. So this job is finishing today. I'm not sure if next we're going to do the wall there, the fence, or if we're going to actually throw the foundation that side where I showed you. The ladies came early this morning to pull the drums. So yesterday I had um, made some mandasi. So Patricia was showing me that she's hungry. And then I shared her mandasi. She was so happy. There's Tamala. She's coming. I do her hair. There's a lady that comes to do her hair every Friday after school. But now their school is finishing at 4 o'clock. Is it? Yeah. 4 o'clock. They used to finish at half 3. Yeah, half 2. Not half 2. Let me get something to do. Or 2, 3. Then that lady used to come and cornrow her hair. But now she finishes at 4 and she gets home sometimes, they chat. Though it takes her 10 minutes to walk from school, but she comes here sometimes 20 past. Yeah, I'm that mom. I watch the time when she gets home. So yesterday the lady came a bit late. It was around 5 o'clock, so I said no. It's late, let's do it today. So the lady asked if she can come there tomorrow. I try for her to always minimize movement. So, but this morning I will allow her to go through this way. Yeah. See you later. Bye. So, she said 9 o'clock. You should be home by 10. Okay. Bye. There she's running. Last night we were just watching Bob Marley. So I have all his songs in my head right now. Yeah. I think they should be finished I think before lunch or around lunchtime, they should be done here. It's just this small space here, and then we can mark off the veranda. Right. Done. It's laid. I just wanted to share with you the veranda, how far we are, and it's that space that we need to fill up. Around 1, we should be done with it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment.